To feed 1,000 catfish to table size in this year 2025, you need close to 65 to 67 bags of catfish feed, and if you are to sum that up, that will be up to like 1.5 million naira. Please and please don't allow anybody deceive you this year 2025 that all you just need is 200,000 or 300,000 to feed 1,000 catfish to table size. If you are really in to make money from this business, if you are really in for the business side of catfish farming, know this and know peace. Catfish farming is capital intensive. You must be ready to invest reasonable amount of money before you can make reasonable profits from this business. I keep saying this over and over again. On the farm, we don't sell catfish by size, we sell by weight. That's why when most of you sell your fish, at the end of the day your fish will just be big, they will not have any weight, and you will lose at the end of the day. Know this and know peace. Catfish farming is capital intensive. Thank you.
You will be learning how to treat your catfish inorganically, and also I'll be sharing with you 4 things you must not do when treating your catfish in this video. So today I'll be treating some sets of catfish using the ampiclox and the red and yellow capsule. So I'm using 2 cards for each. After I'm bringing out the content, I would dilute it with a little water. Make sure the water is not too much so as not to neutralize the medication. So after doing that, I would reduce the water level of the pond, to the foot level. Then I would spread this content into this pond while the fish are inside. You understand? So number 1 thing you must not do when treating your catfish. First thing first, stop feeding. Do not feed your fish when you are treating them. If you notice that your fish are dying at large quantity, first thing first, stop feeding. Stop feeding immediately. Number 2, make sure the water you are treating your catfish with is crystal clean. Don't treat your fish with dirty water. Make sure you change the water first before applying the medication so that it will work properly. Number 3, make sure you know the cause of the mortality in your pond before applying any medication. You don't just see me apply medication just anyhow. Yeah, I've checked the fish, I've known what is wrong with the fish before applying this medication on them. And lastly, before applying the medication, make sure you scoop out all the dead ones in the pond before treating them. Don't treat fish with the dead ones in the pond. We've scooped out the ones that are dead in this pond before applying the medication. So that will be that for today. Remember to share this video,